Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I will show you how to fix or how to repair Adobe Reader not working properly in Windows 10 PC. So first, open the Adobe Reader like this. Open it. Okay. So first here go to Edit and then Preferences. You need to do one setting here. So Edit and then Preferences. And this box will appear here, and then select the security enhance and then uncheck this option like enable protected mode at startup. Okay, uncheck this one, uncheck, yes, okay. This is the first option. After this, try to open your Adobe. If you're still facing problem, the second option is go to help. Okay, here help, and then in the help click on repair Adobe Reader installation. So you can take the option, it will repair and reinstall fresh copy of your Adobe. If you're still facing problem, then go with the second option. After you did the repair, and if you're still facing problem, then go to third option, check for update. It will update your latest Adobe Reader. So this is the second method. And the final method is, if you're still facing problem, you need to uninstall Adobe Reader from your PC and then install again. So these are three methods. First is change the startup setting, then repair and update, and then finally is uninstall and install Adobe Player. So